Sunshiny day. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Ooh, sunshine. Yun. Good morning, guys. What a sunshiny morning. This is Earth. E-R-D-Z. Earth. Welcome to my channel, Rider DZ1. It's a lovely Tuesday morning. It's June 19, I think. Yeah, it's June 19. Namnamin nyo na yung init ni haring araw. Ayan, ooh. Yeah. Whew. What happened? Ingat-ingat tayo, guys, ha. So hindi naman siya major collision, nag-semplang lang yung motor. Yan. At dahil dyan, let's talk about helmets. Recently, kung kayo ay updated o nanonood kayo ng videos, kung nanonood kayo or updated kayo sa social media, napanood nyo yung isang lalaking nagmumotor napasingit sa gilid ng isang 10-wheeler or 16-wheeler trailer truck. So aminado naman, kung makikita nyo sa video, hindi tama yung ginawa niya sa pagsingit dun sa truck. Masikip na gutter yung motor niya. Dumulas ngayon si motor. Nung dumulas siya, sakto at nasagasaan ng kanyang ulo. So clearly sa video, at nung paglabas niya dun sa truck, kita na nayupi yung helmet niya. Nakatayo pa siya. But the good thing is buhay siya. Nakapuntas pa siya sa gilid at hintuan siya ng ibang mga riders. Pero kung ibahin natin yung kwento, halimbawa kung siya'y nag-drive at wala siyang helmet, o yung helmet niya yung maliit lang, o yung half face helmet, ano sa palagay nyo yung mangyayari? Ni-imagine nyo pa lang, scrambled eggs na. That's the importance of a helmet, to protect your head from accidents and crashes. Nasa Facebook ngayon yung picture nung lalaking nasagasaan ng truck. Kasama yung helmet niya na clearly yupi, pero evident doon na hindi siya durog. And it's a full face helmet, hindi siya modular o yung naitataas yung harapan. It's a full face helmet and a sturdy one. Bakit nasabing sturdy o matibay? Dahil kung yun soft material, hindi lang UP yun, durog yun. So ano yung helmet na suot niya? Itago na lang natin sa pangalang NHK. I have one of those helmets. Nabili ko yun nung nasa IR last March. When I saw that helmet, I fell in love immediately. Di syempre Isa ako sa mga advocate ng helmet use, and it's really true. Helmet saves lives. So one of the motto of NDPPA, they promote the original use of motorcycle parts and also use of helmets. So ngayon, there are many kinds of helmet available in the market to choose from. There's the half face helmet, yung kita yung mukha tapos salamin lang yung nasa harapan. Then there's the full face helmet, yung talagang covered yung talagang covered yung mukha. Meron din modular combination ng half face and full face, yung natataas pa yung harapan. Meron din yung duo sport na tinatawag, o yung adventure type helmet. Halos magkapares lang naman ang itsura niya, duo sport saka adventure. Ito yung medyo mahaba yung bungso niya at meron siyang visor. Okay, kung gusto maging safe sa pagdadrive, sa pag-ride, at kung maka-encounter man ng aksidente, wag naman sana, always remind yourself, always wear a helmet every time you are riding your bike. Kahit bibili ka lang ng ulam dyan sa kanto, mag-helmet ka. You will never know kung ano mangyayari sa'yo. Madulas ka lang dyan, nabag ko yung ulo mo, kamusta naman ang uuwi mo sa bahay? So always wear your helmet. And if you like this video, click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch my other videos. Also watch my other videos. Marami kayong makikita doon, promise. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like my videos. Always remember guys, ride steady, ride safe. Brother DC1 out. Goodbye.